Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video for Quant Network. We got a price prediction already here on our chart. We were expecting the market in Quant to go higher. It did that. So now we're going to see, okay, will it continue? So before I get started, welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more videos and content. I'm simply here to show you all that it's very doable to come in and predict where prices are going to go just by simply looking at price bars and the volume. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So if you guys find that very interesting, then I would suggest that you guys keep it locked right here. So now here it is. Market in Quant Network came and hit ultimate TP price on May the 27th. We did a price prediction though on the 13th. So it took a while. It took a couple of days for the market to hit that TP price. And when it came, that would have garnered us 17.6% profitability right there. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get rid of that area. We will also clean up this buy pocket here. You guys can see, however, that the market has definitely confirmed to us that this area that we created as a buy pocket was very strong. Like these people who bought Quant Network around that $90 area, $92 area, they continually bought. And that's why the market ran up to $120 on the 28th of May. So let's see if these buyers are trying to control the market in Quant Network, because if they are, we will potentially see this market in Quant hold this trend, because this is the current trend into the market in Quant. We're trending bullish. The market definitely is in a uptrend, and so far that is not broken. So generally, our presumption is that yes, Quant Network is going to continue to go higher. But as you can tell, the last 5 trading days, the market has decreased in value, and it looked like it wants to come and test that trend line. So we're definitely gonna keep our eyes open on that particular bounce off that trend line, because if it happens, then we know that that will be an entry point into the market for Quant Network. Okay, so let's look at the market real quick on a couple of different time frames. Here it is on the 2. You guys can see that a lot of volatility occurred from this 2-day price bar continuing into the next one. We saw the market give us a very wide spread, ended 2 days up almost 12%, only to see the price come right back down. And then in the next 2 days, we saw the market trying to sell off, but there were buyers into the market in Quant Network to the point to where we just simply ended where we started 2 days ago on the close. Okay, so what does it mean? Well, currently on this 2-day price bar, you guys can see that there's still sellers in the market. There's still people in the market in Quant Network trying to sell their positions. That is why the market currently is closing down. Here it is on the 3. Okay, so now just keeping it real, keeping it a buck. You know, I'm not trying to persuade you. I'm just looking at what we have in front of us, and the market doesn't look bullish right now. It looks definitely like the sellers are the ones controlling the price. Just by looking at these 2 3-day price bars, we may continue to see the market go lower, if anything, in the near term. I'm not saying that this is going to be a continuation of move on a monthly time frame, but we're definitely on the 3-day at least. The market is aiming for lower prices. Here it is on the 4. Here's Quant Network on the 5. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, you guys can see on last week, definitely we saw some volume increase and the market closing off of the highs. Again, sellers enter the market. When you see price bars close off of the highs, that tells you that someone was really trying to come in and sell out their positions, or the selling pressure increased dramatically, especially where this one looks on the weekly. Here it is on the 2, Quant Network on the 3, 5, and the monthly chart. So real quick on the hourly, we're just trying to see if the market is still weak, and currently it looks that way. You guys can see preferably right here on this 3 5-hour bars, the market was unable to break through that sell pocket, and now you guys can see that it looked like it created another one right here. So yeah, we're creating sell pockets lower, which means we're stepping down into the market in Quant. You want to see this market in Quant hold this area right here as a buy pocket. So this may be where the bounce occur in Quant Network. Maybe. Here it is on the 1-hour chart. Okay, you can see a little bit better right there. And here it is on the 330. Okay, so if we don't see the market in Quant hold this pocket of buying right there, then we can potentially see this market make a more dramatic move to the downside, to where it can come back and test this buy pocket around 95. I would say maybe like even $98. Okay, so yeah, given what we have right now, I still see weakness. I still see sellers controlling the market in Quant Network. We have to anticipate that there's a greater probability chance of the market going lower in Quant. Now, we already got this trend line here, so I'm just going to extend it because we can see price bounce off that trend line and see the market go higher. Okay, so we don't have too far to go considering where price is right now at $104.47. So our first target will have to be in or around this trend line. So we might see a reduction in our potential profit on this prediction depending on how long it takes for price to come and hit it. Now, if we were to come down to the market today, that would give us 5.37% there. All right. Let's anticipate the market in Quant coming back down and testing this massive buy pocket around 92.50. That's 11.25% move there as well. Okay. So I think we're just going to hold it there for the moment in Quant. Let me go ahead and make this area here a buy pocket. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. So now, two things that could potentially minimize how low price is going to go. The first one is noticing price holding that pocket right now. That might happen today, might happen tomorrow, might happen the day after that. But we need to pay attention to see if these buyers are still in this pocket, because if they are, price in Quant won't go that low. The second thing is if the market in Quant bounces off that trend line, because everyone sees the same type of charts. Everyone have access to that information. So everyone can see, hey, we're about to bounce off of this trend line in Quant Network. That's a buying opportunity. So they may try to hold the market there off that trend line. Those two things can really minimize how low Quant Network is going to go. So I definitely want to tell you all about that too. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think the market is going to continue to decrease a little bit, bounce off this first buy pocket or this trend line and then go higher? Or do you think we could see a further move to the downside? Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.